In this video, I'll give you the answer to task 16 and share with you one fun fact about me. So watch the video till the end and hit the subscribe button right now. In task 16, I asked you to complete 3 things. These were: find the statistics from 2 existing SLR papers, search statistics from Google and other websites, and write a short summary of 30 to 40 words. So let's review the answer for these tasks now. I have selected one of my own SLR papers to show you some statistics that I have used. Pause the video now and read this carefully. Can you see how I have gathered statistics and articulated them to highlight the problem we are dealing with and how it shows the importance of doing this SLR paper? Let's see the next example. Again, pause the video and read this carefully. Can you spot the difference between the two? I have written those 2 sentences differently. So tell me what is the main difference that you have observed. You can even use my writing as a template and see what different sentences I have used, and you can write something along those lines too. I will now show you some of the statistics that I found when I searched Google. So when I searched Google, this is what I found. There are several interesting statistics that I can use from what I have just found. Similarly, you can do something same. This concludes the answer for task 16. I hope you have written something similar and progressing with your SLR paper. If you are enjoying this series so far, may I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. And now the fun fact about me. Did you know I have done a bachelor's in chemistry and biochemistry? It was not in computer science, but I still ended up studying computer science now. If you're still watching this video till now, then I have 2 suggestions for you. If you want to start the next task, click on the video on your left. Otherwise, click on the video on the right for YouTube's recommended video. Thank you very much, and don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.